3+1+1 program is like a bridge leading me to a more diverse study environment, which really has widened my horizon. I have received a great deal of opportunities to get access to state-of-the-art technologies and to work with people from four corners of the world. I remember distinctly the experience I had when I was working on an integrated engineering project. It was very demanding and I came across a great deal of difficulties. But I managed to accomplish the work and learned a lot during the process.
3+1+1 program have made me experience the difference between Chinese and Western education system. Study via group discussion at UQ is quite common. Every individual will be encouraged to talk about their own ideas, and you get a lot of inspiration from your group members. You also have the sense of achievement after you make a great contribution to the group. I really appreciate the learning environment here because it made me think critically and learn to settle the disagreements.
One of the most exciting things that comes up in my head is that I have met so many good people here. They are not only the supervisors, professors, who always give me valuable advices, but all those students and colleagues I'm working with. Many of my colleagues have strong industrial backgrounds, so they're smart, diligent, very productive, and knowledgeable, and most importantly, they're very nice to people coming from different cultural backgrounds. So it's so amazing to talk to all these people because they have been giving me fresh ideas, visions, and help on my studies and a better understanding of the world.
One of my greatest feelings about studying at UQ is how important friendship is. I can still remember 2 years ago, I spent days and nights with my friends in the library or in the computer lab, fighting for our final assignments. Although days were very tough at that moment, but I always remember the support and teamwork of our friends. And I also make friends with UQ's professors and tutors. They always give me the greatest help, not only in the academic field, but also in the daily life.
In 2010, I went to the University of Queensland in Australia, and then I returned to my home country. I joined the Dongfeng Automobile Corporation. I think the experience of studying abroad made me easy to communicate with the foreigners. For example, last month, I went to Shenyang for an exhibition of automobiles. I can introduce our products to the foreign dealers easily.
In Australia, communication skills is of the highest priorities on your skill list, especially when you're handling a project with which involving multiple contractor companies. You have to spend 80% of your total working time just to talk with them and make them understand their tasks and make sure they meet all the standards. On the other hand, technical stuff, such as detailed design, data analysis, and project execution, will only take the rest 20% of your working time just to finish the project.